Welcome to Lou CIS Demos. Today we're going to be doing an install of VirtualBox. So go to your favorite web browser, type in VirtualBox. Here you see here's the link to virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Click on the link, and then from here you pick which OS you're going to be using. I'm currently going to be using Windows, so I'm going to click on the Windows host. And then down the bottom you can see that it's downloading. Now that it's finished downloading, you can essentially just click open or open file location, depending on how you want to do it. Just double click the launcher. So now we're going through the setup wizard. So it says welcome to VirtualBox version 6.0.6. We're going to hit next. Here it's going to give us a default location. It's going to install off of our C/program files /Oracle /VirtualBox. So if we're good with that settings, we're going to go with next. Here it's going to tell us if we want to create a shortcut in the menu. Do we want a shortcut on the desktop? Do we want to click launcher? Do we want to register any VirtualBox file extensions? So let's go ahead and click the menu. We can leave it on the desktop for now. I don't want it on my quick launcher. We're going to hit next, and then it's going to install a network interface. We're going to go ahead and say sure, because all virtual appliances are going to need their own network card. And then we got our UNC pop up. We're going to click yes. And then we're going to say sure. And then once we're done, you can hit finish. And there we go. There is our VirtualBox. I already have a couple virtuals already pre-installed. Otherwise this would be blank. Alright. Thanks for watching.